Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Graham. Today is Friday, October 29th, our last day with our October number corner. Monday will be a brand new month. Let's find out what is on our calendar. We've been seeing a lot going on with our calendar this month. Let's see what we'll find on it for today's card, and we'll even do Saturday and Sunday's card. Wow, we have 2, 4, 6 acorns and 4 chestnuts. Wow. We can add this to our chart. We have 10 nuts, 6 acorns, and 4 chestnuts. So let's try this. Susie had 10 tree nuts from the yard. She had 6 of them were acorns. How many were chestnuts? So if we know we have the big number 10 and 6 of them were acorns, we can use our number tree to figure out how many were the actual chestnuts. 4. Good job. Let's look at our last number tree for the month. We have 6, 4, and 10. Here is our math story. Here is our math equation to explain our story. Great job, All-Stars. As we continue to work with our number corner, we made it to the big number 40 days in school yesterday. We're going to add on one more day for this day, which now makes 41 days in school. And we'll just change our numbers here. We have 41, 4 groups of 10, and 1 group of 1s. Our math equation is 40 plus 1. If you'd like, you can pause the video now and try to write down math facts that you know that equal the number 41. Please hurry back to the video once you're finished. Now we have a chance to count all of those blocks we've been collecting. Oh my goodness. Let's look at this and see what we have. Right now, we have, move these numbers over so we can get our answer. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 triangles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trapezoids. Wow. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rhombuses. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hexagons. Amazing work with these All-Stars. Very proud of you. Very proud of you. As we continue on, we are going to do a little bit more practice with our numbers. We have the number 6 and the number 7. Oh my. What could we put in the middle? Would we put greater than, less than, or equal to explain these two numbers as we compare them? Sharky's hungry. Which one is he going to eat, the 6 or the 7? Open his mouth to eat the 7. Yes, 6 is less than 7. Very, very, very good job, All-Stars. As we continue on with our number corner, we are now going to take a moment to do one more problem together. Math story. Rio has 9 leaves. He glued some leaves on paper and left some in the basket. So he has 9 leaves. He glued some on paper and left some in the basket. So he might have glued 6 leaves on paper and 3 leaves on the basket. What math facts can we use with this number tree? What can we create? Pause the video right now for a moment. I want you to write down the 2 addition facts and the 2 subtraction facts that we can create using this number tree. And then hurry back to the video as we talk about the answers. Are you ready? Here we go. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Equals 9. Then we turn it around. 3 plus 6 equals 9. After that, we take our biggest number and put it in the front. 9 minus 3 equals 6. And we do the same thing with the last one. The biggest number in the front. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Is this what you have? Is this the fact family you created? I hope you did. Don't forget, please continue to work with your fact families. These are always around. You can use your dominoes and all kinds of things to help you create your fact families. Great job, All-Stars. Very proud of you. What I would like you to do right now is this. I want you to focus on counting. It's the last thing I'm going to ask you to do with our information. But this time, I'm going to make it really interesting. I want you to start counting from the number 40, and I want you to count all the way from the number 40 all the way to the number 60. Do you think you can do that? Here we go. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Yay! Now, don't forget, challenge yourself to see if you can count higher than the number 60. How high can you go? Off you go. Have fun.